You are already 90% ahead of other people if you are good at communication. You can get more opportunities if you are better than a person who is more knowledgeable than you in terms of communication. In today's video, I'm going to share three main strategies that will help you in improving your communication skills. Our first strategy or tactics is related to delivery of words. Act like a leader. This instantly enhances your performance in terms of communication and turns you from an average communicator to a pro. To explain this, I'll use a simple rule that you can apply while communicating. The rule is 7-38-55 rule. In this graph, you can see that out of whole 100% of our conversation, your words only matter 7% and your voice tone matters 38%, and the thing that matters the most is your body language, which matters 55%. Most of the people just focus on 7% of the words but forget about the rest 55% and 38% of the voice tone and the body language. Instead of memorizing 7% that is words, you should focus on improving your body language, which will definitely enhance your communication skills. If you want to improve your body language, the simple thing that you should do is to do hand gestures and use hands while talking. That will instantly grab attention from the people with whom you are talking. Using of hand gestures while talking is known as power posing. Our next point that comes from here is maintaining eye contact. This doesn't mean that you need to stare at a person very badly, but it does mean that you should maintain a normal eye contact to show emotions while talking. I'll share a simple trick that you can perform to maintain a eye contact. In this photo, you can see that there is a face of a person, and you have to imagine a inverted triangle on the face of the person from the eyes to the mouth, and you need to look at the triangle while talking to the person. This will give the impression that you are interested in talking to that person, and you will be able to maintain a eye contact with that person as well. The next point that comes from here is the one of the most important points which most of the people forget to do. Take pause. The person who talks very fast appears to be nervous, but a person who talks slowly and takes pause while talking appears as a leader. A short pause before an important point commands immediate attention. Our tactic number 2 is prep framework. So, what is prep framework? Prep framework is nothing but a structural way to communicate with the person or to deliver your speech. Prep framework says that your conversation should start with a point supported by a reason, then the reason supported by an example, and at last you need to add a point again. For example, if I'm talking about money, the first I'll say a point related to the topic. Money is the most important thing to live in this world. Then this point needs to be supported by a reason. If you have it, you can fulfill your dreams. Now, to support this reason, I'll add an example to this reason. Iman Ghazi owns a big house in Dubai. He has cars, he owns big companies, and he's rich. Now, after I am finished with my example, I need to add another point at the last of the speech. If you want to enjoy life, you need money. Now, a question might be there in your mind that why are we supposed to add a point after the example? The reason behind this is human psychology. Our human brains remember the last point said by the person. This is called redundancy effect. Like, you might have forgot the point which I told at the first, but you will be remembering the point I told at the last. And because of this, you appear confident. Till the time you're talking, you should use this structural way, prep framework, to talk. Start with a point, end with a point, and in between add reasons and examples so that your conversation sounds more interesting to the people who are listening to you. This prep framework can also be beneficial to you in job interviews. For example, if the employer questions you that why should we hire you, you should begin with the point, I am perfect for this role. Then support this point with the reason. Because I have the exact technical skills required and thrive under deadline pressure. Then support this reason with example. In my last company, we faced a remarkable tight deadline, but I put in extra hours and delivered the project in 2 days early. And at last, add a point. Therefore, I believe I can add immediate value to your company. This is one of the perfect answers to be given to the employer. Here comes our tactic number 3. That is record yourself. Yes, you need to record yourself daily. This is nothing but a challenge to you. This doesn't mean that you need to upload those videos online, but you need to record videos daily of yourself speaking on any topic for 5 minutes and watch those videos. Your brain works 10 times faster when you are analyzing your own mistakes. That means it will be more easier for you to grab your own mistakes and improve on them. So, this is the challenge for 7 days for you. And also, use your back camera. When you use your front camera, you will constantly look at yourself while speaking and you will feel uncomfortable. So use your back camera while recording and do not delete those videos for 7 days. When this challenge will be finished after 7 days, you will see that on the day number 1 when you started this challenge, you were making a number of mistakes while speaking, but till the day number 7, now you are better at communication. Here comes the end of this video. If you are into this challenge, comment 7. Do a like on this video, and if you want to join our journey, subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.